Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we are going to be using color pencils to make abstract art by mixing colors. Let's get started. To begin, we're going to be using color pencils. Do you like color pencils?
Yeah.
All right, what color pencil do you want to use first? What color?
Red.
Red? All right. So here I have some twisty colors, and then I also have normal color pencils. Now, I'm sure you can see inside the color pencil, there's a color stick inside of it. Y'all see that inside of there?
Yeah.
And when you tap color pencils, they can break on the inside, that color stick, because it's that stick of color is a little softer than a normal pencil, so it does break a little easier. So you have to be really gentle and careful when you're coloring. Now here I'm coloring kind of lightly. Do you want to start coloring?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and start coloring for me. And then you can also press hard when you're coloring as well. And we're going to be creating abstract art today, which means we don't actually have to draw a picture. It can just be scribbly or random.
A big rainbow.
You want to do a big rainbow?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could totally mix the colors and make a big rainbow. We can definitely do that. Hold on a minute. You need to hold yours. Let's see. Let's move our hand up. There we go. And that helps it point down more. What do you think?
Good.
That's good? All right. So you can color lightly and darkly while you're coloring. And at some point, you're going to change color. Let's see. I'm going to change to an orange color.
I want to change to orange too.
Okay. And when you're blending the colors, you're going to go right on top of each other. See how they blend together? I like the way that looks. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of pretty. So it's kind of like an explosion of color. So today we're really playing around with mixing colors and blending them. And you can call this a color gradient. It's when one color changes to another. So see, I have this pink and then it transitions to the orange. I'm going to add some yellow now because you wanted to do a rainbow, right?
Have that be?
Yes, of course. I love how you used your words and asked nicely. You didn't just take it from me. You asked and used your words. That was really respectful. And it's fun to share too. Do you like sharing?
Yeah.
Yeah, sharing is a lot of fun. I'm going to do some greens. Do you want to pick a green?
Yeah.
There's a lot of different greens we have here.
I
There's light green, dark green.
want white green.
Yeah. So remember, you don't have to draw a picture unless you want to. If your picture, right now this is all random and it's starting to turn into a rainbow, but it's abstract because it doesn't look like a dog or a cat or a house, or it doesn't look like anything yet. So that would be abstract art. Keep blending. I could press hard in some areas if I want. When I'm pressing hard, that color's more vibrant. It's brighter, it pops out more, right? Let's take a close look at what you're doing. I'm gonna get some more color in here. Let's see, let's do, ooh, this is a cool brown color.
I want brown.
You want some brown too? Yeah, there you go. Ooh, nice. You see how you're holding the pencil? It makes it a little hard, right? Let's try moving our hand towards this way. And you're still learning how to hold a pencil. The way you hold a pencil can make a bit of a difference, especially when you're trying to create a really nice line, a swirly line.
I want one.
So I can even hold my pinky out. My pinky will touch the paper and guide my hand.
My pinky.
Or I can keep my pinky out, back and forth. You could hold your pencil where it comes in between your fingers. That would be fine too. I'm gonna do a blue.
I want to do blue.
Two. Okay, do you want light blue or dark blue?
A bright blue.
A bright blue. Ooh, there's lots of good blues to choose. Do you want to share and switch?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Oh, thank you for switching with me.
No.
No? Oh, not yet? That's okay. I don't mind waiting. Actually, there's another blue I want to try using. This is like a sky blue. I'm going to mix it with the dark blue. And ooh, I love the way those colors blend together.
And I'm making a dark blue.
You're mixing it too. Now, the way you're holding it's like this. And it's a little harder. It's more like when you're holding a sword. And that points out and up. And we want our pencil to point down, which is why I turn it to face downward.
Yeah.
But you know, you're only 3. He can color the way he wants to, huh? Now I'll be looking around the room to see how you're holding your pencils, that you're not playing with them or tapping them.
Doing this
You gotta be
blue.
respectful with the materials
I'm
and
doing
use them
this blue.
as intended. Oh, this is pretty.
You want to do this blue?
What a pretty blue.
You want this? Yeah.
What color am I missing? I've got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Let's add some purple.
I want the purple.
Yes. It's like this one?
Yeah.
All right. I love the way purple and blue look together. They're so pretty. Oh. Now that's a rainbow. If you don't want to make a rainbow, you don't have to. I think I want to add a cloud to my rainbow. Now clouds are usually white with different shades depending on
No
where the sun is.
white.
I'm going to add the outline of my cloud.
No. White cloud.
Now this is no longer abstract.
No
because I'm
white
drawing something.
cloud.
You want what color cloud? What, red?
White.
You want a white one?
Yeah.
Here's some white. You want to color with white?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now coloring white on white doesn't show up very well, but that's okay. If you want to color white, you can color white. Let's see here. What else do I want to add?
The white on the rainbow.
I really like this. Yeah, you can add it to there. Oh man, I said we were going to do abstract art, but this is definitely a rainbow, so it's no longer abstract. Remember, abstract doesn't look like anything.
Did
And if it looks like something, it becomes
we
the opposite of
White.
abstract.
down?
Representational. You're pointing it down? Good job.
This
Yay, color
made
blending. What will it do if I do it on here? Ooh, pretty. I'm going to add some more green. Do you want to add more green with me?
we made it down.
Yeah.
I want this green.
You want that one? Yeah, you can use that one. Let me twist it for you. So you got to twist this. And the color stick. I like these because it really shows that the color stick on
Yeah.
the inside. So you see that stick of color breaks fairly easily. It's softer to the touch than like a normal pencil is a little. Oh, not that much. Can you twist it back in? Ah, thank you. That's going to help take care of the color pencil. Oh, there's still too much. We want just a little bit. There we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. Thank you for being so safe, responsible, and respectful with the materials. Do you like our rainbow? Do you?
I like green.
Yeah, I like it too. I think we need a little bit more red over here. Making it darker, so I'm going back with even more color. Ooh, so pretty. Well, it's up to you what you decide to make. You could make it look like something,
Two.
or you can keep it abstract. It's totally up to you. Till next time, class.
Yay.
Keep being creative.